In honor of the great David Letterman and the amazing Rhett and Link from Mythical Morning, we will be testing MrBeast's Feastables peanut butter chocolate candy bar to see will it s'more. Of course, you cannot have a s'more without the greatest graham cracker ever made, the Nabisco Honey Made graham cracker. All right, we are doing the king of the internet, Mr. YouTube himself, MrBeast's Feastables peanut butter chocolate candy bar taste tests. What do you think?
Good amount of chocolate, good amount of peanut butter. Tastes like Reese's peanut butter cup.
All right, it's my turn, and I love peanut butter and chocolate, so let's see what we got. Of all the MrBeast candy bars that I've tried, this one is definitely the best. You can tell there's an improved taste in the chocolate, and I absolutely love chocolate and peanut butter. Great job on this one. MrBeast Feastables peanut butter, will it s'more? We have 2 marshmallows getting nice and toasty. We've got the graham crackers. We've got the chocolate. Let's see what happens. All right, here we go. This is a really good s'more. I love the peanut butter and chocolate with the marshmallow. Great job. So last night I forgot to answer the important question we were asking. Will it s'more? Yes, the Feastable peanut butter chocolate bar will definitely s'more.